In the last 28 days, I made $963 from one of my YouTube channels.
And in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact tips and tricks I use to grow my channel, get more views, and attract more subscribers organically. If you really want to grow your channel, watch this video till the very end, because the last tip I'll share is the most powerful, the one that truly changed the game for me. And I'll also show you proof at the end that these strategies actually work. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps the content coming. When you're uploading a video to YouTube, you'll see a few visibility options: public, private, unlisted, and schedule. Most new YouTubers and many content creators immediately choose public without any thinking. And that's a big mistake they do. Let me explain why. When you upload a video, the YouTube system needs time to process your content. It needs to understand your title, analyze your thumbnail, review your description, and match your SEO tags. If you publish it instantly as public, YouTube might show it to the wrong audience, which kills your click-through rate and watch time, two of the most important metrics for your video to succeed. Not everyone on YouTube is into your niche. Whether you're making tech videos, comedy skits, or travel vlogs, YouTube needs time to figure out who your audience is. So stop uploading your videos directly as public. It hurts your visibility, slows down your growth, and damages your video's performance, all because it's being shown to the wrong people. For example, you make news content, and YouTube recommends it to someone like me who isn't into news. I'll scroll past it, and YouTube thinks your video isn't engaging, even though the right person might have loved it. So, what should you do instead? To make the right move and grow your channel, let's take a look at the remaining visibility options. Private. If you select this option, only you can see it. You can share it with specific people via email, but it's not searchable or visible on your channel. Unlisted. Anyone with the link can view the video, but it won't appear on your public channel. This is great if you want feedback before going live. You can share it with your friends, your WhatsApp groups, and even leave a pinned comment to test engagement. Schedule. This is one of the best options for small YouTubers trying to grow.
Scheduling your videos gives YouTube enough time to analyze your content, understand what it's about, and figure out which type of audience it should show it to. This helps your video get matched with the right viewers even before it goes public. By the time it goes live, YouTube already has a plan to start pushing it, which means a better chance of getting more views right from the start. It also helps you stay consistent and build trust with your audience. Now, let's take a look at how to properly schedule your video to get more views. Click on the schedule option. Let's say today is April 26, 2025. Don't schedule your video for the same day. Instead, choose a future date, like April 27th, April 28th, or even sometime next week. For example, let's go with April 30th at 6 o'clock p.m. Once you've set your date and time, YouTube will handle the rest. You don't need to be online when the video goes live, which means less stress for you and more time to focus on creating content. This also allows you to batch upload multiple videos in one sitting and space them out over time with a consistent schedule. This simple strategy gives YouTube a better window to analyze your video and match it with the right audience, helping you get more views and engagement. Now, let me show you the proof that these tips actually work. I made $7,350 in just the first 4 months of 2025. And that's from just one of my YouTube channels, as you can see on the screen. From January to April, this channel earned a total of $7,350 in revenue. Let's break it down. In February, it made $1,821. In March, that number jumped to $2,430. And in April, it's already made $831, and the month isn't even over yet. All of this income came from using the exact same tips I shared with you in this video. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so YouTube shows it to more people. And if you're serious about growing your own channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload.